Today in the news, did you see VW is under a lot of scrutiny? There's talk that VW will possibly be closing their factory here.
There was a question asked as well during the week, but they're not really saying they're going to leave. They still have, they still do believe that the factory will still be there.
I think VW are in a lot of trouble in this country. I really, really do.
Okay.
And the trouble is going to continue to grow. It's the quality of the products. It's their pricing. It's their high theft risk. Too many things are against it. Labor costs, apparently they're saying at VW are unsustainable. So a lot of challenges.
But there's some interesting news, and this is something that we spoke about, I think, very early. The Nissan factory. Remember we had spoken about Nissan is definitely going to leave the country. What's going to happen to the factory that they have over there?
So I often say you don't have to be a fortune teller to see the obvious.
Yeah.
Nissan producing in South Africa only the Navara. Navara is a top bakkie, but we spoke at the top of the show about Ranger, Hilux. It's not competing there.
Yeah.
So a lot of people have said, Michael, is it safe to buy a Nissan with them leaving the country? In my opinion, Nissan is not leaving the country. Nissan is exiting as a manufacturer. Is it good or bad, in your opinion, that Nissan is leaving as a manufacturer? I'm talking specifically for the Nissan brand.
Oh, it's bad.
You think it's bad?
For the Nissan brand?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then the Navaras need to come from...
Okay, so interesting. It's always a perspective. Yeah. And it's one of us is going to be proved wrong. You have a belief. I think it's a very, very best thing for Nissan to close that factory. Okay, let's go back to the brand I detest. Hyundai, doing well in South Africa.
Yeah.
They bring in cars. Kia, bringing cars. Honda, bringing cars. Suzuki, bringing cars. Mazda, bringing cars. Ford, Toyota, Isuzu, and VW manufacture. Now, some brands can do well manufacturing and being in the country. Nissan in South Africa, we're not doing the volumes. Why do you want to run a factory? Now, don't say disrespectfully to staff. Managing a factory is intense. A brand like Chery that's going to do hundreds and now thousands of cars, they can justify that.
Yeah.
I think for the country, very, very good. To Chery South Africa, well done for stepping up. I've often said we do not have any complaints about a Moda, about JQ. The few odd ones about Chery, reach out to a dealer that I've got an exceptional relationship with. I said, who do I speak to? He said, you get a hold of Hans. Get a hold of Hans. Within 5 minutes, Hans doesn't reply to my WhatsApp. He doesn't email me.
He calls you.
Hey, Mike, looking forward to engaging with you. You get the impression, takes the podcast seriously. Okay? Super, super easy. So to Chery, Moda, and JQ, may you go from strength to strength. I do believe the Chery factory in South Africa is going to be an absolute game changer.
Keep It or Change Cars, the podcast brought to you by SA's most trusted online vehicle website, Change Cars.